Hello people and welcome back to Caught on DashCam channel, a channel where we feature only the latest content from the roads. This episode is going to be packed with all sorts of crazy encounters, so make sure to stick till the end and write us your opinion down in the comments about it. Let's not delay any further and get this episode started. I can't stress out how important it is to check your mirrors and indicate while changing lanes. On the other hand, speeding on the roads rarely does any good as well. And if you combine these two, the outcome is usually bad.
You're gonna be on YouTube. That was stupid. That was as dumb as that. Wow.
Watch on BBC iPlayer. BBC Archive Session Track. Music.
Driver transported a mattress without securing it properly. Actually, by the looks of it, he didn't secure it at all. He was grabbing the front of the mattress with his hand. When you're distracted by your phone, you're bound to cause an accident sooner or later.
It's important to note this does not mean they behaved professionally, or even that they did not violate Mr. Tart's or the Harrisons' constitutional rights. It should not be forgotten that the deputies' behavior towards the Harrisons caused them to fear for their safety. The deputies' failure to portray any empathy.
Again, second time. Second time, dude.
That was a cool.
Second time. That's a left lane only. It's not straight.
now near Gatwick Airport at junction 9. Northbound there was a breakdown there. The M20 closed westbound at 11 high. Queues have been backing up to the Channel Tunnel exit at 11A. So it's going to be until tomorrow morning, that closure. I'll be back with more for you in an hour.
Radio and to kick things off. Turn it 4 tops.
Go on here. Almost got another one. Look at this Lincoln. I did not notice all brake light. Oh, one swerve. Then did not get the clue. Have to swerve again. Why are you so stupid?